Hi, today we're going to be comparing the cleaning performance and navigation of the ILIFE X5 and the V5 Pro here on my right. Now both of these machines have the same power, have the same suction. Both of them don't have any motorized brush, and both of them have two side brushes. So it'll be interesting to see how they differ cleaning wise, and that's the purpose of this test. And I'll be cleaning around 70 grams of rolled oats and powder. Um, this will mimic real life debris that this machines will clean every day. Stop the robot at around the 13-minute mark, and it was able to clean up most of the powder and oats here. As you can see, the edges are relatively clean. If you have a close look, it was able to pick up most of the powder. Now I put the robot in max suction, and it doesn't have any motorized brush, and powder residue is almost invisible based on what I see here, and which is pretty impressive. And it took relatively, it was really, for the navigation that it has, it was really efficient. It was able to clean up most of this mess in under 14 minutes. And as you can see there are some bits and pieces of oats on the near the charging base, which is expected. And on the floor, it was able to clean up a majority of it. And if you look closely on the edges over there, powder is almost gone. Let me just move the tripod and give you a closer look. Over here, the edges here, and it's pretty clean. There's some rolled oats that's left here, but overall it did a good job on the edges. There's some that's left near that bag over there, and let's see how much dirt it has. Okay, now let's look at the contents of the dirt bin here. Just show you the dirt bin first before emptying it. Here's the dirt bin. It's pretty full. Let me just open it here. The dirt bin is pretty much filled up. I'll just take off the primary filter here, and that's all the oats that it was able to clean up. And let's dump it over this weighing scale. Just focus it. It was able to pick up around 66 grams out of the 70. Okay, roughly took around 25 minutes for the V5 Pro to clean up most of the mess here. I'll show you the middle part of the room. Basically, it has cleaned pretty much all of the dirt here in the middle, and over there in the corner it's pretty much clean. Just give you a closer look here. It's clean pretty much all of the oats and the powder are scattered here in this corner. And one problem area would be this area here in the corner. For some reason the V5 Pro avoided this area, even though I switched up these two robots, the two charging stations. I don't know why. I'll find out in the succeeding tests. And let's see how much dirt the V5 Pro has. Okay, let's see how much dirt the V5 Pro was able to pick up. And here's the bin here. I'll show you the bin first. The bin of the V5 Pro. It's pretty much full. I'll just open it here. Let me just open it and show you the contents. Take off the primary filter, and this is basically what it has picked up. Let's turn on the weighing scale here and dump everything. Was able to pick up around 61 grams of dirt, and you'll see that there's some bits and pieces of hair and dust bunnies, so that adds to the weight. Overall, the X5 did a better job in the corners. The V5 Pro did a better job cleaning the central part of the room, though it took a lot longer. The reason why I let it run for over 20 minutes was I was waiting for it to clean this part here, but it avoided this part for some reason, and which is why it picked up significantly less, around 5 grams less than the X5, which goes to show you that there are quirks in each of these robots. It doesn't mean that they have the same features, that they would have the same exact navigation pattern. Each of them will have quirks of their own. And I hope this video helps you. And if you have any questions, please comment below.